We're now going to cover how to catch multiple different errors, and to do so, we'll use multiple except blocks. So this is where we left off last time. Here we have a correct index, so the try block will complete, and then it'll jump down to the normal continuation of the program. If we have a type error, so we're only catching a type error at the moment, so we have a string, so the type error occurs here, then program execution jumps to here, it says index failed. And maybe we should be more specific right now. We could just say type of index failed, like that. And then it continues on with the normal execution of the program. Now, if we have a bad index, so an index error, we go program execution is halted right here. We didn't catch that index error. We only caught a type error. So the way to catch multiple errors is just have another except block. It has to just follow the first one. And here we just have index error like this. And you can just put bad index like this. Okay, so now what's going to happen is it'll catch both type errors and index errors, but no other type of errors. And it'll attempt this. That will fail. It'll jump down here to bad index, so that gets printed out. And then the normal execution of the program continues. So that's how you catch multiple different errors. You just have multiple except blocks with specific error names.